Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of any new money making videos that I do. Normally 1 or 2 a week, sometimes 3, depending on what crops up and the actual time scale I have. But anyway, just make sure you subscribe and you'll be getting notified of any new videos. Right, onwards and upwards, and today we're just going to cover how you can do affiliate marketing with no money. You can do affiliate marketing for free. So many of us in the last 12 months have suffered, and you may be looking to get a business started, make money online, and you don't have any money to start with. Well, this is one option for you, which is what you can do. Just so for this tutorial, we're just going to promote Aweber and their advocate program. And Aweber is of a mailing list service management system, which we can promote in this tutorial, and they pay a 30% recurring referral payment. And the beauty of Aweber is that you can basically start it for free. It don't cost you any money. If you look at the pricing, so you can open a new account and you can have 0 to 500 subscribers absolutely free before you start paying any money. Then you move over to the pro account, which is $16.15 a month. But they have different programs for depending on how big your account grows. But if you're getting up to 500 subscribers for free, you will be making money anyway. You can make money just on 10 subscribers. It's simple as that. So when you get up to 500 subscribers to your mailing list, then you'll be making money. So this is something we can look to promote to other people, and this is the actual key here, this free option where they can start for free. Everybody likes something for free, don't they? Right, so to do this, to be able to promote this Aweber program as an affiliate or as an advocate, should we say, they like to call it an advocate, they can go to a website called freeplrdownloads.com, and this is free downloadable products, ebooks, that type of thing, and software and different courses, all sorts of things, and it's absolutely free for us to use. So we can leverage this type of thing to help us promote the actual Aweber Advocate program. So I'm just going to type in here mailing list and do a search, and these are some of the products that we can basically promote for absolutely free. So this one here's free PLR ebook, mailing list secrets, that might be interesting. Viral master list builder, all these things, email list genie. These are all helpful things to help us promote the actual mailing list management system of Aweber. So we're going to try a look at this one. This is the mailing list secrets one. So all you need to do is click on this and just download it. Basically, it tells you all about it, how many pages, 66 pages, 10,000 words, and you would just click on the download option, which is there, and that is it. You don't need to log in or anything like that. When you do download this product, this is basically the file that you get. So you can see the e-cover, which is the box, which is the actual 3D box that you saw there, the graphic, and you have a sales page and all the images and an index page. Basically this, if you wanted to actually sell this product, you might want to do that. Well, that's another thing for another day. But we're interested in these two things: read me text. So we can open that. Thanks for claiming mailing secrets from me. Customize with your name, you can do. Basically, it tells what you can and can't do. There's not a lot that you can't do with this. So the license, always worth looking at these. So this is completely unrestricted, and as you can see, this can be given away. You don't need to have to sell it, you can give it away, and that's what we're going to do. In this tutorial, we're going to give it away as like a free bonus, just to get people to a landing page, And the landing page we're going to build with our free account at Aweber. So let's just close that. Right, so we're in Aweber now, and this is where we can create a landing page absolutely free. These are the graphics that came with the package. So I'm using just 2 of them. You can just use that one if you want to, but I've just thrown this one away. You can do this in Canva. And so I've just made, this is all an image. So just drag this image across from there. So I said how anyone, regardless of experience, can make endless amounts of money from a brand new list in a matter of days. And then I've had another row here, which is a text row. How to build a list of, excuse me, thousands of hungry subscribers quickly with these secret hacks. Get a free copy now. And when you're inside your Aweber, you will create a list for this, a new list, so they can insert their name and their email. And I just put here, click here to get your, yeah, we'll stick with that. Click here to get your free copy. So it's basically a call to action. Click here. Everything's push, push, push on this. You just really, it's the hard sell. And you're giving it away for free. Get a free copy now. Click here to get your free copy. And that is basically that. So let's have a look at that. It'll end up something like that. This is only an example. You can basically work it however you want. So they would read this on your landing page, on your free landing page at Aweber, put in their name and email, and then they would click here to get your free copy. And then they will be taken to this page, which is another landing page I've just done on Aweber. Just for now, you can different ways of doing this. So I kept the same logo, continuation, congruency if you like, and I say thank you for requesting your free copy. Please check your email inbox in 10 minutes. This part is so important, 10 minutes. What we don't want them to do is click away and go and search in their inbox. And we want them to stay on this page just for a few minutes. And that is why we put this banner here. This is just a graphic. I've just done use the Aweber logo, and I put start your mailing list, 100% free. Pay nothing, get started today, no credit card required, no time limits, click here. So these people who want this are interested in starting a mailing list. They want mailing list secrets, and here I'm offering them a service with Aweber, which is probably one of the biggest in the world, and they can start it 100% free. They pay nothing, they can start today, no credit card required, and no time limit. So there's nothing stopping these people just clicking here, and when they click here, this is your affiliate link embedded in this banner, which you can do in the actual landing page option there in Aweber. You just click on this and then just put your link. So then they'll go straight to Aweber. And then if they sign up for free, that's fine. And when the time comes, when they've built their list, then you're entitled to 30% commission. And that is recurring commission month after month after month. When people start these lists, they get over 500. The chances are for them cancelling that with 500 subscribers is very low. So every month you're going to get money off that one client. And when you start getting clients and clients and clients on top of your regular clients, that's where you can start a regular income, a good income of recurring commission. Now, what you can do, obviously they've got to get hold of this product. So when you complete your confirmation email, so they would get a confirmation email for you, say thank you for joining my list, and then you would give them a link to wherever you want to, where they can download the actual ebook. Obviously you've got to give them the download link for this product, and you can either do that on a free WordPress site. Get a free WordPress site absolutely free, and just upload your PDF file for the ebook, and then you can basically do something like this. It's just an idea. We really want to sell it again, so congruency, here it is. So send them to this page, whether it be on your free WordPress site or wherever, and then you would just like click here to download, and the download link will be a link to the PDF file which you've uploaded to WordPress. So they've got the file, and again, this is important, again, you've got another shot at getting this promotion here with Aweber, so they might click to download. They'll still be on this page anyway, and they might click a second time if you missed them the first time, so you can get an actual commission from this little banner here with your affiliate link embedded in it. And it's as simple as that. A very simple system, just going from one step to another. These two pages I did in Aweber, landing pages. You'll have your unique link, so you can do it that way, or you can basically do it on a free WordPress site. It's absolutely up to you. But have a play about with these landing pages. They're very easy to do. You can create whatever you want. You can just use these images and then add the text, and then over here is your form. You need to complete your form first before it goes in here, and then we'll subscribe there. Very simple system, but very effective. And the beauty of it is you can start for absolutely free, and it costs you absolutely nothing to do this. And then just the next thing is to drive traffic, which you can do through all different ways. You can do that. You can do it from, let's say, free websites. You can do free websites, go on forums and that type of thing. TikTok is another great place. You can start a free TikTok account and put your landing page, your first landing page here, there in the actual URL. When you open a business TikTok account, you can put your affiliate, your URL in straight away, which is this, and you click on it and away you go. They're in the system, and it's just from one to another hop, from that one to that one, and then to that one. And you make money from this, and you make money from this, should they click and sign up. And why wouldn't they? It's 100% free. So there you go, just a very simple system, but very, very effective. And it's a way of you can get started with affiliate marketing for no money at all, absolutely free. And I hope you got some benefit from this tutorial. Have a look. That is just one niche I looked at there regarding mailing lists and promoting a connection with the product of Aweber, which is what you will need. To get a mailing list, you need a management system, so you can promote Aweber or you can promote a different management system. It's up to you. Get Response is another one, of course, but that is just a free trial. This is 100% free, Aweber, until you start making 500 plus subscribers. So with Get Response, is not really like that. It's just maybe I think it's free for 30 days, I think, which is completely different. This is better reseller because it's absolutely free. 30 days, you still don't need to pay anything. You can still use the system to make money and to build your list. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And one more thing before I go. If you're interested seriously in affiliate marketing and would like to make $1,000 plus commissions, high ticket commissions, then I've done a free course of high ticket affiliate marketing, which you can join and for free. And you'll see the link to this in the description below. 100% free, about 90 minutes of video content which you can just sit back and watch and relax and enjoy and soak it in. And if that's of interest to you, make it promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products for high ticket commissions of $1,000 plus, then I will welcome you in that training, absolutely free. That's it today. My name is Mark Anthony. Thank you again for your time, and I'll see you in the next money making video. Take care. Bye for now.